Hello Tikis, welcome to our another video series of Power Automate Desktop. This is our second video of work with conditional action. In this video, we will learn how to work with switch action. In our previous video, we have discussed how to work with if and else statement of conditional actions. So let's discuss the syntax of switch. As you can see guys here in a screenshot, here is the syntax begin switch and case 1. If case 1 match, then statement 1 will executed. If case 1 will true, then another statement will executed. In using switch, you can use multiple condition, and if your condition will match, then your statement part will executed. And there is one benefit: if there is no match like else, so default statement part will be executed. So this is all about our I can say syntax guys. So one question is here where we can use switch because we are already available if and else. So if you want to avoid multiple if and else, that time you can use switch. So let's go to pad and see about switch action guys. Now I am on pad. I have already taken one set variable here and I have a storing 500 in marks variable, and after I am using switch action here switch, you can see here is the parameter. You can select here marks, and after this you can check your condition as per your requirement. Like if you want to check case, here is the properties of switch case. Just drag and drop here, and if equals to value to compare marks, then if you want to display message, then you can display here as per your requirement, like marks is equal here. If you want to add more case, then you can add as per your requirement. And another here default case property is also a part of switch action. Here if condition is not matched, then default will executed. Here marks is not equal and click on save. Just run. So for this I am going to run this flow and see what is the output of this flow guys. So first of all, let me disable this all, and I am taking one run subflow action here, and I am just select created subflow, and after this I am running. You can see guys your code is running, and also you can see your code has been executed successfully. Your marks is equals because we have a store marks equal to 500. Let's here store some another value like here 500, and here let's change the value here like 300, and let's run the flow again and see what is the output. Here you can say default case portion is executed, so mark is not equal. So that's all about guys switch action. So for so let's see one example, live example of switch case where we can use, so that we can understand easily and also see a live demo, and we can say live practical example. So without wasting our time, let's get started guys. Here for our time saving guys, I have already created a flow for this. So first of all, let's discuss about our use case guys. Our use case is how to check a student grade using switch action. As you can see guys, here I am in this flow chart. You can give me a minute. You can see here this flow chart, you can see more clear now, and I am using set variable, and then I am using switch and check marks less than equal to 200. If yes, then grade D displaying through message box grade D, and if all I am here, I am checking three condition. If and default I have also checked, guys. So let's go on Power Automate desktop and see how we can implement this. So here I am just enabling all the action here. I am deleting this one, it is not required. So for this you can see, guys, I have already created a flow and I am storing 500 here in set variable, and I am using here switch, and I am just here I am mentioning marks variable, and first case I am checking less than or equal to 200, then I am displaying grade D. If less than equal to 500, I am displaying here grade C. Less than equal to 700, then I am displaying grade B. If and default, I am here checking default grade. Congratulations, you have a secured of grade A. If marks is greater than 700, then this message box will appear. So let's run and see what is the output, guys. First of all, we are checking 500, then see what case will executed here. So I am running this, and you can see, guys, 500 grade C is executed because we are checking less than equal to 500. So that is why this message box will displaying grade C. Let's change the value here, guys. 900. Okay, and let's run. And your flow is running, guys, and your flow has been executed successfully. See, congratulations, you have secured a grade E. So that's all about our use case, guys, how to check a student grade using switch action. So thank you for watching this video. If you